I think it's time for some garden art. Hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. Have you ever used these tomato cages? These ones that you buy at the store? They're very flimsy, and you're lucky if you get one season out of them. Sometimes they're really frustrating to use. Now our daughter-in-law Molly also got very frustrated with these, so she asked Barry to make her some
beefier tomato cages.
So he did. So besides renovating houses, Barry also loves to do metal sculpture, and he's done many. So he whipped up this dancing 6-foot dancing cow for Molly to use for support in his garden, in her garden. Well, this year they're not using it, so they thought that we might like to use it, borrow it this year. Now Barry asked Elizabeth if she would be interested in it, and of course she said yes because she loves his metal sculpture, but she had never actually seen it. So Barry and his son decided to come down here and surprise her by installing it, and this day it was pouring rain and they came down to do it. So we were actually sitting inside and we didn't even know they were out there until he texted me. So I went out, he wanted to know about placement and stuff like that. So Elizabeth isn't even aware that it's being installed right now. So it's finally stopped raining, and let's see her reaction when she sees it.
Oh, that is awesome.
Got a lot of flex to it, so it shouldn't go anywhere.
Okay, oh, that is great. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's like dancing.
Yeah, dancing cow.
Dancing cow.
She wanted a beefier tomato cage.
Beefier.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, I'll get those cucumbers planted and they could just start working their way right up the cow. Oh, look at him with his hooves and his horns dancing. Oh, that's so cool.
Yes, 4 years old now and still in good shape.
Yeah, everything's lasting beautifully.
His hoof and his horns and his belly.
It's a girl cow.
Okay, see ya.
Oh, thank you, hon. See you. Hi, hon. All right. We put in this extra bed because we know that cucumbers can really sprawl and take up quite a bit of room, and they like to climb. So Bill went ahead and built me one more bed here and tried to get the ground as level as we possibly could on this hill so I could grow cucumber. And then my son surprised me with this cow to let the cucumber climb up. I think it's awesome. So I had grown some cucumber, and I don't know exactly what happened, but I'm gonna have to try to start growing some again. It just didn't make it very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and plant some cucumber in here, and then as it starts to grow, I'll let it wind its way up on this incredibly darling cow. What a fun thing. I just think it's wonderful. Now this is my only planting area that's a little lower, but I'll be okay with just one plant that's down lower. And like I said, Bill helped me get the roses planted. That helped a lot. This earth is nice and loose and lovely. There, so that's the mound. right, I'm gonna give him a drink. I think this sculpture is utterly wonderful. I'm very moved that Barry brought it here for me. I keep thinking of stupid cow puns. Oh, I love it.
So I hope you've enjoyed our garden art
Yeah.
and our cucumbers.
Yeah, I'll show them as they grow.
Yep.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yeah, live simple.
Live free. You be blessed.
Yeah. Love you, and we'll see you soon.
All right.
Bye-bye.